And we are back. So we are gonna go locate our rice box and see what the results have been. If you are having trouble locating good samples of mycelium, I suggest looking for leaf litter like this. And all you really have to do is take your foot and just go over it. Oh, see? And there we go, there's some right there. Here's another great shot of some amazing looking forest mycelium. We're definitely gonna leave a couple rice samples here. This is littered everywhere in this whole spot. So again, that's the type of stuff you're looking for. Here we are back at the spot where I buried the rice trap. Let's see if one, it's still here, and two, if we have results. Oh, there it is. But it looks like it busted. Let's see what we can salvage out of this. See, this is something to watch for, guys. You can see we have a little coloring, but not much going on with this sample. So, unfortunately, as much as I'd like to show you guys a great looking sample, this is also a reality of doing this. We waited 7 days and we got this, which is still absolutely fine because I have more samples and I'll go to another spot and show you guys what a complete sample looks like. So just again to show you guys, failed sample number 1. It can happen, it will happen. Don't feel any type of way about it. It happens to all of us. Okay, so here we are. This is the spot where sample 2 is. As you guys saw in the previous clip, sample 1 did get contaminated, so it was not usable. But we are going to come here and check sample 2 out. So let me get over here. So here we are. Pretty camouflaged, you can't really see it. So hopefully no animal or human has messed with it. And there we go. Look at all these sticks. Boom. Sample 2. A great indicator that you usually have a good sample is if your box doesn't look like it's been messed with by any animals or people or the weather. You can see there's no holes. So this hopefully should be a good sample. We are looking for white and fuzzy. White and fuzzy is the preferred. Again, that'll be the fungal we are searching for. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we get. Tape. Wow, look at that. That is exactly what we were looking for. You can see it is a mountain of white. That is a perfect IMO sample that we can use for our next round of IMO 2, 3, and 4. So if you have something similar to this, then I think you are in a great place. Well, you can see I don't even have to go to the bottom. I can tell this is just pure inoculated. Here's a little bit better shot of what the IMO looks like. You can see it went around the wood, consumed the whole rice. And I can only imagine the bottom of this looks just like this. I just wanted to show you again what you were trying to get. a question I see a lot is, now that I have my microbes, what do I do if I don't plan on doing IMO 2, 3, or 4? Even though I do recommend you go onto those, you can simply put this into your compost and the microbes in this will transfer into your pile. And when you use that compost for your soil, you will get all of these beneficial microbes introduced right into your soil. So it is a simple way. It does take a little longer, but we are going to use this sample for IMO 2, like I said, and it'll be great. Thank you guys so much for watching this IMO video. I will do an IMO 2 to let you know exactly what you can do with this, so stay tuned. This was SB Live Soil. Thank you guys for watching. Another great mushroom to locate and find would be the morel. They are kind of hidden in the ground, but once you see them, they're hard to miss. I describe them as almost like brain-like. They grow straight from the soil, and these are very, very edible. This is a better look at the morel. They are hollow, and the cap, if it is a true morel, is attached. This is a great looking mushroom.